Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 215 Gillett Road in Spencerport.
This is the ultimate Erie Canal manor with over 3 private acres and over 300 feet of New York State Canal beautification area with a private dock for your boat.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Greet your family and friends with this impressive 2-story foyer with dramatic windows and tile floors. Open to the fireplace living room with hardwood floors.
The hallmark of this home is this 2-story great room with soaring cathedral ceilings, a wall of windows, deck access, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the entertainment-sized kitchen with gorgeous wood cabinetry, select stainless steel appliances, deck access, and a wet bar. Plus a formal dining room with built-ins, a bay window, a tray ceiling, and those beautiful hardwood floors. All with a convenient first-floor office and powder room.
The beautiful staircase takes you to the second-floor landing, overlooking the foyer and great room. The upstairs has 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, including this very spacious and private owner's suite, with a tray ceiling and those panoramic canal views. The property has a private driveway off Gillett Road that takes you to this private nature paradise, with over 3 country acres for your total enjoyment. The quality craftsmanship of this brick and cedar home is evident in the details. Plus, it is great to have additional storage with the attached 2-car garage and the detached garage.
Imagine having the backyard all your friends and family will never forget, with an entertainment-sized deck with a pergola and gazebo, overlooking the pool, and sprawling backyard with the Erie Canal as your backdrop. Enjoy waterfront living in Spencerport with your own private dock on the historic Erie Canal, perfect for leisurely cruises into the village of Spencerport and the entire New York State Canal waterways.
You could have it all in this waterfront dream home. Here we are in the charming village of Spencerport.
That's right, Spencerport has great restaurants and shops and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 215 Gillett Road in Spencerport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!